Hi
Hi.
Tamanna. Hi Tushar.
Hi.
So how many of you have actually used Fastened Up or heard about Fastened Up before?
I've heard, but
Heard about it, yeah.
I've heard
Hopefully
about
very soon, because I'm on a fitness journey, so hopefully very soon.
So we are a nutrition brand, and we have been closely associated with cricket. So just to give you a background, a lot of teams in India and also the IPL teams, the Ranji Trophy teams use the product. And we have also been part of the nutrition journey for many people in the country, right from people who are getting into fitness and also people who are wanting to be active. So I'm sure you will learn more about Fasten Up in the future, right?
Sure.
Yeah, I think CSK, you guys were the nutrition partner for CSK this year, if I'm not
Yeah,
wrong.
we had a tie-up with CSK. So if you guys are part of, follow ISL this year, apart from supplying the product to everyone, we are also partners with Mumbai City FC and also
Oh, wow.
Odisha FC. So that is something that you can always follow.
Great.
Yeah. I would like to invite Mayank on. If he can come in with the videos glaring right from Sydney. Hi Mayank, how are you?
Hi Vijay, how are you? Hello everyone.
Hi, Mayank.
So
What's happening, guys?
Great. How's the preparations going on?
All good, man. All good.
Great.
Well, guys, I'm extremely excited to be here, and it feels amazing to connect with you all. It's nice to get to know. It's nice. I think we all to get to know me in person, and for me to get to know you all. It's fantastic. And Vijay, thank you for the introduction. Thank you for helping me put on another kg. But yeah, just very honestly, I think fitness is a journey that is developing in India, and people will soon realize how important fitness is, not just as a sportsman, and but also for everyday living, and for every person. It is going to become a very important part. Fitness and nutrition, and with situations like these in COVID, people who have better health, people who are fitter, just make things a lot easier for them to recover and be in best shape. So I'm really grateful for having you guys partnering with me. It's great to be in a partnership with a company like Fasten Up, because you guys just produce some organic stuff and not nothing from chemicals, and having been with you guys and having start taking the supplements, especially after I've become vegetarian, to start taking plant protein and the greens has really improved my fitness, and it's just great motivation to work out, because I know I can go out, work out all out, and then come back and I have my supplements and everything else ready to help me recover, and then help me go again the next session.
Okay, thanks Mayank.
Great.
So let's get the introductions going. I think I'm going to be random because I don't know who comes first. So let me see who is on my screen from the left hand corner. For me, Vinesh Prabhu with a wonderful jersey that he's wearing is in front of me. So would you want to go and introduce yourself and
Sure. Yeah.
possibly
Hi,
ask a
Mayank.
question as well?
Hi Vinesh, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, Mayank. First of all, congratulations on having a wonderful IPL. And first of all, let me tell you that I used to pick you always in my fantasy team, and you gave me so many points.
I hope you played Dream 11.
Yeah, that as well. So thank you so much for giving me a lot of points. Secondly, I would like to show you this. So I'm an autograph collector as well. I love meeting cricketers and taking autographs. So I have this newspaper cutout from your double century at Vizag.
Wow.
So someday if I meet you, I'm surely gonna take your autograph on this. And my question would be at the end, I'm gonna have a quick rapid fire with you, so that I'll do it at the end.
Where
It's a
are you
pleasure
from,
talking
Vinesh?
to you.
Where are you
I'm
from?
from Mumbai.
So hopefully when we are playing in Mumbai, I can meet you.
Sure.
It'd be nice.
Great. Tamanna, you are next on my screen. So
Yes, hello,
yes,
sir.
go ahead,
Tamanna,
Tamanna.
how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm from Himachal. How are you, sir?
जी आई एम गुड, हाउ आर यू? अगर आप हिंदी में बात करना चाहें तो आप हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं. मेरे को हिंदी भी अच्छे से आती है. जिस चीज में आप कंफर्टेबल है उस चीज में.
Okay, sir. Sir, आपको firstly congratulations. You are selected in all 3 formats, and your Dream 11 IPL is just amazing. And
Thank
sir, lots of love and support to you. Sir, I have watched every match. I didn't miss a single ball. Sir, love your playing.
थैंक यू सो मच तमन्ना. आप जैसे लोगों की वजह से हमें और खुशी मिलती है और एनकरेजमेंट मिलता है और मोटिवेशन मिलता है कि हम जाएं और अच्छा खेलें और टीम को जिताएं.
Yes, sir. All the best.
थैंक यू. और आप नर्वस ना हो और आप मेरे को
No,
सर
sir.
ना बुलाएं, मेरे को मयंक बुलाएं.
Okay.
Well said, Mayank. And thanks, Tamanna. Next on the screen for me is Tushar Rane.
Hi Mayank,
हाय तुषार, हाउ यू?
hi, this is Tushar from Mumbai. Well, the 3 things which are common between you and me is firstly the love for cricket, the first one. The second is your wife is a lawyer and I'm a lawyer as well.
Oh,
And the third
amazing.
third thing is like you have posted just now on Instagram that your friend takes a blurry picture. Even my all friend takes blurry picture. So it happens every single time.
Yeah, it happens, man. Happens every time. Whenever you want a good picture, they just know how to mess it up and just make it a little blurry so that you just don't get that picture perfect.
Actually.
One.
It's an absolute treat to watch you bat right from your first game at MCG. So I was so happy to see you especially smashing Aussies all over the park. And I always felt like Virupaji and Krishnamurti Srikanth gave you some advice on that because their mantra in life was like to go and hit the ball. So I was so happy to see you smashing all over the ground. So very happy to see you that. And especially your maiden 200 knock was so special. I thoroughly enjoyed. And I just hope and pray you continue to be in such form and the series which is coming ahead will be
Thank
another blinder for you. So just all the love and praises for you. So you will hope to continue. And I've been carrying this Kings 11 jersey every single time whenever Kings 11 play. So unfortunately this year it didn't happen. So I'm hoping that next year hopefully it happens in India and somewhere down the line I'll get the chance to meet you and hopefully get an autograph on this as well. So
Perfect, man. It'll be nice. It'll be nice to meet you guys when I'm in Mumbai.
And my question to you is, do you remember any such incident with Master Sachin Tendulkar or any such advice which he gave to you, which has remained with you forever?
Well, I haven't.
An idol of yours who have inspired to continue this journey?
Yeah, I haven't actually got much of a chance to play with Sachin Paji, but I remember I was playing for RCB and he was with Mumbai Indians then. I think this was in 2011.
Yeah.
When we played against Mumbai in Bangalore, we finished the game and just like everybody else, I'm a fan of Sachin Tendulkar. So after the game, obviously we went back to the dressing room. We had to change and I wanted to just meet him, get a picture with him, get my t-shirt autographed from him, and then I just snuck into the Mumbai Indians dressing room and requested them if I could meet him, but then they said no, he's gone outside to a different stand in the Chinnaswamy Stadium. So luckily the match referee was there, so I requested him if he could take me there. I went there. He was spending time with his wife. I was so shy and I was so nervous that my hands were shaking before I could meet him, but I did get a chance, and the great man did spare some time, spend some time with me, and it was just amazing, for somebody of his stature to leave his wife for 5-7 minutes and give me time and do that'll always remain special to me.
Because after your magnificent innings at against South Africa, which was a 200, he had tweeted, and I wish if he was in person talking to you, he would have said to you like, I think that was a special innings from Mayank, and I just hope that he and Rohit to take India much further. Because he had said that this right from your debut innings, this is a very special innings, and he has taken to another level. So we all pray and wish that you keep inspiring us and just keep scoring runs, and especially against Aussies, because we have tremendous joy when you score against Aussies.
Yeah, it's a tough series. It's good to play against a tough opponent like Australia. But kudos, man. I for a second I forgot you're a lawyer. I thought you mimic so well.
Tushar
Well
seems to be a
done.
very multifaceted guy. I think a true cricket fan, right? So Mayank has, in fact, I was seeing Mayank's Insta. I also follow Mayank's Instagram, and I recently saw that he has crossed 1 million followers. I think, I mean, we need more followers to get him to the 2 million mark now.
Yeah,
Sure.
yeah, it'll come. It'll happen. It'll be nice. It'll happen.
Great. So, so next on my screen is Shreyas. Shreyas, hi, how are you?
Hi, Shreyas.
ಹಲೋ
Yes, go ahead.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಯಾಂಕ್ ಅವರೇ. ನಾನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದವನು.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಪ್ಪ. ಏನ್
ತುಂಬಾ
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ?
ಮೈಸೂರು NIE.
Superb. So just for everyone, that's our local language. That's Kannada.
Kannada. Yeah.
And just for the guys who, just for the people who didn't understand.
Great.
ಮತ್ತೆ
Shreyas.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್? ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನ 14 ದಿನ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇನ್ನ 12 ದಿನ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಾರಂಟೈನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ರೂಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ತರ ನೆಟ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂಥರ ತಲೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಆಡೋದ್ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನೀವು, ಮಿಸ್
ಹಾ
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ.
ಸರ್, ಖಂಡಿತ ಸರ್.
ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್
ತುಂಬಾ
ಓದ್ಬೇಕು.
ಆಡೋದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
So
Yes,
Mayank,
sir.
I have a question to you right away. I mean, why is it that a lot of Karnataka players go and play for Kings 11 Punjab?
Well, we'll have to ask actually Anil by now. He's the current coach, so we'll have to ask him. I guess they see something in us that probably other franchises haven't seen. No, but actually, it's just coincidence. More than anything, it's just coincidence that all of us kind of end up playing for Kings 11.
Oh, wonderful. So next on my screen is hey Dipesh. Dipesh is a colleague at Fastened Up. So Dipesh, go ahead.
Dipesh.
He's also a sports buff.
Hi, Mayank. I'm Dipesh from Mumbai.
Yes, Dipesh. How are you, man?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
Very good, very good.
Okay, so I just wanted to ask, मेरा एक सवाल था कि जब आप नए टीम में आए थे, इंडिया टीम में, तब चेतेश्वर पुजारा रेडी थे हेलमेट और पैड्स के साथ कि आपको शॉर्ट लेग की पोजीशन दे दे.
जी.
तो आपका करंटली क्या सिचुएशन है कि आप किसी यंगस्टर को पोजीशन दे रहे हो कि आप ही उस पोजीशन में हो?
नहीं जी, जब आपको इतने कोई प्यार से इतने बैठाता है ना, तो आपको लंबे समय तक वहां बैठना पड़ता है. आपके पास ऑप्शन नहीं होता. बट नहीं यार, ऐसा देखना पड़ेगा. बट मैं देखते हैं क्या होता है. यूजुअली हम लोग शेयर करते हैं. कभी एक सेशन किसी और ने किया, कभी मैंने किया, फिर किसी और ने किया. तो डिपेंड करता है कौन खेलता है और कैसी सिचुएशन है. उसके हिसाब से हम लोग बैठते हैं शॉर्ट लेग पे. हाँ, बट ये जरूर होता है कि अगर जैसे मैं थक गया तो कोई ना कोई ऑलवेज रेडी रहेगा. वो अगर मैं थका भी नहीं तो कोई आके जरूर पूछेगा एक सेशन के बाद कि मैं अगर तू थक गया तो मैं कर लेता हूँ, तू नेक्स्ट सेशन कर ले. तो टीम का कल्चर और माहौल ऐसा ही है कि एक दूसरों की हेल्प करते हैं और एक दूसरों के लिए मतलब खड़े रहते हैं ऑलवेज.
आपके नेक्स्ट अभी वो मार्क है जो उस्मान ख्वाजा ने दिया?
नहीं यार, वो चला गया. यहाँ लगी थी एकदम सीधा.
मार्क बहुत दिन तक था आपके नेक्स्ट पे वो.
हाँ, वो इधर था. वो ऐसे लकीली मतलब ऐसे लग के उधर नहीं रही, वो घिस के चलेगी ना. थोड़ा सा कट हुआ बट वो ठीक था यार. उसके बाद जल्दी ठीक हो गया.
ऑल्सो एक लास्ट चीज, मयंक, आज मेरा बर्थडे भी है तो प्लीज.
हे दीपेश, excellent man, happy birthday.
Thank you, man. Thanks a lot.
How old are you now?
Now I'm 27.
Damn, man,
27.
that's super cool.
Yes, thank you.
But unfortunately, nothing, no big celebration for your birthday this time.
Meeting
Everything
Mayank
at
is the
home.
biggest celebration that you can
Yes,
have.
yes, that's the biggest thing.
You're too kind, man. You're too kind. But
Yeah.
hopefully, when this is done, you can have a party with the
Yes,
friends.
yes, for sure. After your win in Australia tour, we can have a party.
Oh, definitely, yeah. that'll be amazing. A win in Australia
Thank
will be
you, man.
fantastic. Another
Thanks
win.
a lot.
Fantastic.
Great, Dipesh. Thank you, and wish you a very happy birthday again.
Thank you, Vijay.
But yeah. Next on my screen is Naveen Sharma. Go ahead, Naveen.
Hi sir, hi Mayank.
Hi Naveen, how are you?
I'm fine sir. It's a privilege to see you it's like something unbelievable to see you on screen right now. I'm stammering
man.
right now to say things, but it's a great thing to see you here. Sir, I had just one question. Like, if you had not been a cricketer, what other profession would you have chosen for your life, or different passion? Did you have anything in your mind?
Yeah, my other passion is flying. I would love to fly. I would have tried to get into the Air Force, but then it depends on them whether I would be good enough to be in the Air Force. So if not a cricketer, I would definitely try to be an Air Force pilot. And if not an Air Force pilot, then a commercial pilot. Sit on the cockpit and just see things happening. Yeah, I think I love flying, so it'll be nice.
And sir, how is your practice going on right now? Like
It's
I
going good.
heard what you said previously. Like,
It's
like
going
4
good.
hour practice daily.
Yeah, we're almost having practice every other day, but it was quite hot in Sydney when we came here. But I think in the last 3-4 days it's rained a bit, and it's cloudy and keeps drizzling once in a while. So the weather has got a lot better. But the practice sessions have been moved up and down, or one of the days we couldn't have the session that we wanted because it just rained. So otherwise the preparations are good. Fantastic.
So we are very much excited to see your match on Friday, and hope you have a banger on that day.
Thank you. I think the whole team is really excited, to be here in Australia in these times and having an opportunity to play against Australia. We all very, very excited.
Yeah, sir. Please take care, sir.
Okay. Thanks, Naveen. Where are you from?
Sir, I'm from Mumbai.
Okay, we have two
Sorry,
Mumbai calls.
sorry, Naveen, I lost you.
Sir, take care. Please take care over there.
Yeah, thanks, man. Thank you.
Mayank, let me just chip in. I really saw the IPL and was amazed to see your Superman save of the super over. I think all of us would like to know a little bit more about what went on in your mind during that super over and what went on through that split moment.
Well, first super over when we scored only 5, we were like, man, this 5 runs. It's going to be hard. It's going to be tough to defend. But kudos to Shami. He came up. He put his hand up and he said कि आप मेरे को बॉल दो मैं डालूंगा मैं 6 की 6 यॉर्कर डालूंगा मैं टीम को जिताऊंगा तो he was confident and then when he restricted Mumbai to 5 runs I never thought we would play another super over again, like not even in the wildest of my thoughts that I had, that any of us actually thought that we would play a super over again. And then when we defended 5, we were like, wow, amazing. So let's now take it. And then so many of us didn't know the rules that the people who participated in the first super over actually cannot participate in the second super over.
Oh.
So that was also kind of new for us.
Mm-hmm.
And then this time we were bowling first. So we were there, and obviously we had got instructions from our coach Anil Kumble that Chris and myself will be opening when we go on to bat, and Chris Jordan will be bowling first. So we were there. We decided. Chris spoke to the guys. He said, it doesn't matter, guys. How much ever they score, we're going to score back. and that kind of gave confidence within the group, and then we went out and executed. I thought Chris Jordan bowled amazingly well, and when that catch came, when Pollard hit that, I was thinking, first I thought, oh, it might be going over, and then I was like, okay, here I have a chance, I can take the catch. But then I was like, then I knew, okay, I'm not sure what's going to happen. So I said, okay, my primary thing, whether I can take a catch or not take a catch, primary thing is to keep the ball inside the boundary. As soon as I got the chance, I did that, and then it just happened like that. I thought about it, it happened, and then the moment was over, and then it was like, okay, now and I didn't actually have time to sit and think, oh, I did this, I did that, and it was just like, okay, now this is done. Now I need to quickly go pad up and get into bat. So it happened all so quickly, and then after, when we won the game, that feeling was amazing.
I think that was the moment of the IPL, because no one had ever seen someone do like that, and that too in a crunch situation like that. So kudos to you, Mayank, for pulling that off.
But I think in general, the second, like having a second super over was just like, I think for me that had to be
Yeah.
something extra special in all the editions of IPL, because there is pressure in the first super over, but the second super over was like even more nerve-wracking. Just the fight for 2 points is
And you hit that boundary and you were like, yeah.
yeah, because I like I said in the interview, I thought of the Delhi game. The Delhi game came to my mind, where we needed 3 balls, 1 run. Again, we needed 3 balls, 1 run. But this time, I said, nah, I'm not looking to do anything. I'm just going to whack as hard as I can. And touch wood, we could win the game and could get 4 this time.
Amazing.
Yeah, sometimes we get to see the aggressive form of Mayank, more expressive form of Mayank.
Yeah, and obviously there were so many emotions then in that game. There was so much nervous energy. It had to come out somewhere.
Right.
Hi Mayank, how are you?
Hi Shashta, how are you?
Hi, good. A little bit nervous, but I'm really happy. I'm really happy today to finally meet you, even though virtually, but it's really great. So I don't have a question like something related to cricket, but it's a little bit serious though. So I wanted to ask, like, you guys, get a lot of pressure, right, on the crease when you're on the crease, and especially on the last overs, during the death overs and everything. So I want to know how you guys handle those situations. Like what goes, mentally, what you guys think during those times. Because right now, as of now, the whole world is fighting about, mental this and mental that, etc., etc. So something that normal public can relate to and can implement in their daily life, if that can be helpful, is what you guys think in those particular times.
See, well, obviously pressure is there for us and for everybody else to answer it very philosophically. Pressure is just in that situation. So I think it's situation based. We face it more often in games, and different people face it in different situations in their life. Somebody might be facing it in their profession, or somebody might just be facing having a tough situation at home, or somebody would just not be feeling nice about themselves, or something, they might have fought with somebody, or just had an argument with somebody. But it's all pressure, it's all of that, I feel. But I just think it's very important, at least as a player, when I'm on the field, I think about what is the thing that I need to do next, what is the thing that is required of me, and not think about the situation itself, or not think about the problem, but just think about what I need to do next. Because that's where I feel if we focus on, we have the best possible chance to overcome that situation, or to overcome that pressure. By saying that, by no means it guarantees success, that if you think about what you need to do, it will happen, you will do it, and it will become successful. But at least as a sportsman, I've realized at least it gives you the best possible chance, to come out on top of that situation or come out on top of pressure. And as a sportsman, that's what I've realized, that there are so many things in life we can't control, but the things that we can control is being prepared and putting in our effort, or in my terms, like you said, what next. Just think about what next, and after you've overcome that situation, it's not done and dusted and okay, now everything's going to be easy. Some other time, or the next moment, you will get something else. So you have to just keep thinking what next, and how you're going to go about tackling the next situation.
Great, Shaisa, thanks for the question. So I think there are two more people who haven't asked questions. They did introduce, but so Tamanna, please be ready with the question next. First, I'll give an opportunity to Vinesh. Vinesh, go ahead.
I'll do a quick rapid fire with you, Mayank. But before that, I'll give you some trivia. Do you know you have the most runs for India in the World Test Championship till now?
No.
You have 779 runs with an average of 55.64.
Wow.
Thank you. Thank you, man. But very honestly, Vinesh, I'm not a very numbers or a very stats man. For me, I would cherish winning tournaments, and like the last time we were here, we won the series. That was something that I really cherished. Winning against South Africa in the Test series was special. So I think these for me stats is more of come and go. Somebody else might take over, or somebody else might score more runs, but I think winning is the be all and all for me as a person.
Sure. So I'll just start the rapid fire quickly then. Your favorite batting partner apart from KL Rahul, obviously, because I know you'll take his name, so I'll keep that option out. So apart from KL Rahul, who's your favorite batting partner?
Rohit Sharma.
That one bowler from the past whom you would love to face today?
Shane Warne.
You said in your interviews that you love hitting the gym, you are a fitness freak. Which is your most favorite exercise in the gym?
In the gym, I would say deadlift, but not only in the gym, I love running long distance. So Vijay is a marathon runner, but for me, long distance running beats most things.
Your favorite cheat meal?
Many actually, but I would say sizzling brownie with chocolate sauce and ice cream.
Wow. And lastly, your best moment in your cricketing career. The best moment in your cricketing career.
Has to be the Test series win in Australia.
Also, it's my birthday next week as well, so if I can get a wish from you, it would be really special.
Oh, Vinesh, wishing you many happy returns of the day, man.
Thank you so much.
Hope you have a good one. Hope you've been having a good time and you continue to have a good time.
6th December is also a T20 game, and India has never lost a match on 6th December ever. We won it in 2009, a test match in Mumbai, and last year we won it at Vizag. So hopefully we would win.
Hopefully we can win it again this time.
Yes. Thank you so much.
It'll be fantastic.
So Vinesh, how old are you?
I'm 25. I'll be turning 26.
And how long have you been watching cricket?
Since I was 4 years old. So I was born in 1994, and the earliest memory of cricket was the Desert Storm, Sachin Tendulkar, clobbering the Australian bowlers all across Sharjah.
Parents big fan of cricket?
My dad is a huge fan of cricket, and my grandfather as well. He watches all the IPL games. Like, he sleeps early, but during the IPL his sleep pattern changes. He won't sleep till the last ball is bowled.
Oh, man, that's amazing.
I think that's what builds a lot of frenzy in the country, right? So many people watching the game, and I hope the 11 players on the ground don't take the tension of what the country feels.
True.
I think you guys watch more cricket than we do ourselves.
Yeah.
So
Correct.
There's a different match going on in the stadium, and there's a different match going on Twitter, if you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not too big on social media. Yes, but I know there is that little banter that keeps going around.
So, Tamanna, are you ready for the question with Mayank?
Yes. You have shared a lot of memories with KL, sir. So, what is your favorite one?
Favorite one, actually, I have many. I can name a few cricketing ones. Being my best friend, he's been there when I made my Ranji Trophy debut for Karnataka. He was there. We opened the batting together for India under 19 when we played together, and batting with him in Test cricket now was special, very special. And then playing, having him by my side when I got my first IPL 100. So it's nice. I have many memories with KL, and continue and hopefully we continue to keep having many more joyous ones.
Yes, sir. Your friendship is just amazing. True friendship.
Best friend goals. Best friend goals.
Yes.
Yeah.
Amazing. Shreyas, did you ask your question?
No.
Please go ahead. Go ahead.
Hello, Mayank. And my question is, cricket or your wife? Who's your first love?
Cricket, man. I was introduced to cricket before I was introduced to my wife. She's here. She's not going to be happy about it. She's not happy about it, but she knows it is cricket over her.
She's also a passionate fan, right? Because I remember there was a game and she got very emotional after KXIP won that game. So she's also quite passionate about cricket.
Yeah, she doesn't follow as much. She didn't follow as much till we got married. Even though we dated, she used to watch a little bit, not too much. She's a lawyer, so Tushar would tell you, they're busy, they have to study, they have something, this assignment, that assignment, and then she was doing internship with a few companies, so she was there. So she didn't really this thing, but now that she gets some more time, she watches games, and she had the opportunity to be there in Dubai, and she loved it. And she's very, very expressive. You know that. You can.
Yeah.
And my second question is, you just said last ball win against RCB. Nicholas Puran hit the ball 6. You were needed 1 run. So just explain that game. That was awesome.
Yeah, it was. We all were so nervous because. Every game we came close, and we just didn't manage to finish games off. So and then we were like, okay, 1 over 2 runs required. Yeah, we should get it through. And then suddenly 1 ball 1 run. We were like, oh my god, we cannot have another super over again. There was so much tension. Chris was sitting next to me, and I was telling Chris, man, this is too much. And this is too much. And then after the end of the game, we were all laughing, and we just had a funny thing to say. I said, IPL T20 should be grateful to Kings for actually just hyping it up more, just taking the games a little more closer than they should have been, and just increasing the TRP a little more.
Definitely.
Star Sports would be very happy.
Yeah.
Right.
And I also remember one stat, usually about, I think, 40 lakh or 45 lakh odd people watch the game in average. But that second super over against Mumbai, it was, I think, 98 to a crore people watching that. And there were people who told us that they got in touch. They started watching the game then, and then they witnessed the second super over. So people in US and all of those places who don't really have cricket as such, thoroughly enjoyed the game. And
I don't think so. This is ever gonna happen, like double super over and 3 super overs in 1 day.
1 day. That is maddening.
Awesome.
Shreyas, but yeah, man, obviously against RCB, it's also a little different feeling because we are Bangalore boys. So it feels after VS Kings didn't win, we were hoping and praying that Bangalore can win, because at the end of the day the heart still beats for Karnataka.
RCB.
So Mayank, I mean, what does KL and Karun say in Kannada when you talk about the cup coming back home?
Now we don't say that. We don't say that anymore.
Remember 2018 scenarios where all three teams said that and all were disappeared suddenly.
All in a flash. We were all out in a flash. I don't know if everyone followed that, but that phase I think is jinxed.
So great. I think we have had a wonderful session. I think we don't want to extend it too much because Mayank has to get back, hit the bed, get ready for the next day's training. I think thank you, Mayank, for coming down virtually, of course. I mean, for me, seeing so many excited fans is the real story of cricket in India, right? That is why cricket thrives at the end of the day. And it's passed on from generation to generation, right? From the grandfather to the father to the sons, and now, in fact, right to the daughters. I mean, Indian women's cricket is doing great. So I think that's the real story of India. So I think Australia, I mean, for me, right from the 1990s, it has been an experience waking up in the morning, seeing, those days it was radio. Now we are able to see TV. So I think a lot of fans will wake up, especially during the test matches, right from 5:30 in the morning to make sure, Mayank, you stay till the breakfast starts and the lunch happens in India.
Yes.
So all the best for you on all the formats. And please do take care. Best wishes to your family. I know your family has had to go through the entire quarantine from city to city, and you have been away from India for the last 2 months or 3 months, 2 months in fact, and you will not come back to India till January end. So that's a lot of time for you. So thank you so much, Mayank. And closing words to you before we say bye-bye to everyone.
Thank you, Vijay. Thank you, guys. It was a lot of fun. A lot of fun having you over. It was very, very nice chatting with all of you all. And just wanted to say that if you can, just keep working out, keep fit. Make sure you guys stay safe and stay indoors as much as you can. But make sure you keep achieving what you need to achieve. Okay. See you guys.
Thank you, Mayank.
Thank you so much. All the best for the
Bye.
Australia too.
Good night. Good night, guys.
Bye, guys.
We love you.
Bye.